If you're a professional Canon user and you want to make the most out of your camera experience, working either in a studio or outside on the go, you should absolutely consider using an L bracket. And we have two L brackets here for Canon cameras by SUNWAYFOTO. So SUNWAYFOTO makes professional gear for professional photographers and videographers, and all of it can be easily seen in a high quality machining and precision with their product. They're also going to come with a bunch of accessories that are appreciated. So you have these pouches that are going to come with the brackets and a lot of the other SUNWAYFOTO products just in general. So what we have here is an L bracket. Let's start for the R3. So the Canon R3 is the top of the line professional camera, at least right now for Canon. And what you have here is an L bracket that's going to be sculpted specifically for that camera. Once you put the camera on here, you're almost going to have like a little bit of a mini cage, which is going to provide a bit more rigidity. It is going to attach on the bottom of the camera. The screw is already in here, and you have an Arca plate built in on the bottom. You also have a quick release mount here that you can use with a sling. Now, the advantage of using an L plate is very quite simple. If you have, most cameras are going to have just one mount on the bottom if you want to mount it to a tripod, but if you want to switch your camera to vertical mode for either portrait photography or just like content creation for TikTok, Instagram, things like that, well, you need to be able to turn your camera sideways. Now you can. So you have a second Arca plate built in right here on the bottom. Now what's cool is that with here, you can mount it all the way up against it if, let's say, for example, you're a photographer. However, if you want, as you can see, this screw can move in anywhere along this line. So we're going to screw it in so I can show you. You can move it this way sideways so your camera wouldn't be mounted all the way against it, so you can still connect and run cables through while having the camera in a vertical position. Some L brackets that are out there will not let you do that, so it's definitely appreciated that you can do it with this. Along the same lines, we have a bracket for the Canon R5 and R6. Same thing, except that this one is actually meant for the R5 and R6 with the battery grip. So primarily it's going to be photographers that are going to be we're talking about here. Same thing, you have an Arca plate on the bottom. You have an Arca plate on the side, so you can mount it this way. Addition here is you have a couple of 1/4-20 screws, so if you want to put a camera monitor or a magic arm, you can definitely place it there as well. And even same thing here, you do have a 1/4-20 screw on the bottom here as well. SUNWAYFOTO does give you a couple of Arca stops, so once you put it on the plate, it'll protect the camera from just being slide out all the way and giving you a very, very bad day. Overall, great fit and finish, great machining on both of these products, and if you're a professional and you want to provide a little bit more usability and protection, take a look at these L brackets by SUNWAYFOTO for the Canon R3 or the R5, R6 with or without the battery grips.